Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Online maintenance and service app inside today need to develop this here. The sign up page UI need to developing here. First of all, now need to create here the new screens inside the login folders. Now need to create here the new files and to give this here the name as a sign up screen dot dots like this. Create now need to create here first of all the stateful widgets. Now need to copy here the login with here the login sign in screen. Need to copy and need to paste here the sign up here and we need to change this here the controller's name sign up screens now need to save here. Now first of all need to configure the screens inside the sign up screens here and to write down here the context dot push method text dot push extension methods need to calls. First video inside the explain how to create this here the extension methods. If you not see this video, please the see this here the first video and also need to give this here the video inside the info. And now need to write down here the sign up screens and to set here the const value. Also need to copy and to same as OTP with you need to set here the sign up. Also imports here like this configures. Now go inside the sign up screens and to first of all we need to change this here the name sign into sign up like here's and you need to setting here the text fields names use this here txt first name and txt last name, then email address needs here the passport fields already set here, and then after need this here the phone number skill txt mobile, and last one is the zip code txt zip for screen like this. Need this here, and we need to one of the text fields need to new round text fields to use this here, not use here the old one set here, and also need to setting here the spacings. We need to give this here the 15s is good, and like here copy here and to set here the two first name and remove here the types. Also need to change this here the txt first name. Now last name remove here the keyboard types txt last name. Emails already set here, then after the password fields, and now need to create here the mobile number screen. Now need to create here first of all the mobile number, and here set here the phone, and now need to set here the txt mobiles. Then after need to set this here the zip code screen, and need to set here the number and set here text field the txt zip code, and now need to change this here the button name the sign up. Then after we need to sign up with we need to write down here the remove here so no needs this here forget passwords and sign up with, and to social buttons you need to set here, and now last one is the sign in buttons, and now need to also here the context dot pop methods need to calls, because always need to opening this here the login, then after opening here the sign up. That's why to pop screens, not you again, so need to add inside the routes. Now need to write down here the titles, here the text. If already have an account, and now need to set here styles, text styles, set here the color, the color, primary text, set here the font 15s, like this configures, and also need to give this here the some space, sized box, give this here the height space, the 15, and const. Like these configurations are the needs configure. And for the sign up, now need to check this here the UI. Now need to restart this app, and click here sign up screens, and you need to showing like this here the UI, and to give this also here the some space. One more thing, so need to decrease this here the padding. Need to set here 15 is good, 20, and verticals is good. Horizontals need to set here the 15. 20 is good, and like this showing here the UI, and also increase this here the some space. Fine. And this is the sign up page UI. Need to done here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.